Our last thing we're talking about is constructing a rhombus. A rhombus, you'll remember the properties, there are 4 sides. All these sides are equal. They have 2 diagonals that perpendicularly bisect one another. So we also know that it looks something like this. It's going to be diamond in shape. All sides are equal. And these 2 diagonals intersect one another at a 90-degree angle. We're putting it into a picture like that. So we're given the problem, construct rhombus ABCD with diagonal AC equals 6 centimeters and AB equals 3.5 centimeters. So the first thing we've got to do is just sketch it out. Again, a rhombus looks like a diamond, like this. So we know that the diagonal is going to be 6 centimeters. We know that AB needs to be, if I'm, oops, I want this as A, B, C, D. AC is 6 centimeters. AB is 3.5 centimeters. So that means that every other side over here is 3.5 centimeters as well. But now that I've got this sketched out, I can just start with my construction. I'm going to start with that diag. So just take my ruler and go 6 centimeters. Make sure that I have 2 endpoints. And then since I know that there are going to be 2 sides going out this way, I know from this point to whatever point out here is 3.5 centimeters. I'm going to set the radius of my compass to 3.5 because I know that the next vertex, the next point, has to be the same distance from this one as it is from this one. Same thing on this side. It has to be the same distance from this one to that one. So I'll set this onto one of my endpoints and just create an arc at 3.5 centimeters. And I need to do that on the bottom of this too. Okay, then I'm going to take it and move it to the other endpoint and create an arc that intersects the first one on each of the first 2 that I did. Now at this point it looks very similar to bisecting, like a perpendicular bisector, but the difference here is that instead of creating a line through here, we're going to just connect all of the points that we made. So after you've created the 4 corners, the 4 points that you need, all you're doing is connecting this with a straight edge. Remember, a straight edge doesn't have to be a ruler. It doesn't have to be anything that you can measure with. It just has to be a straight line so that all of your lines are straight. All right. Okay, give this a try.